Dear participant, welcome back to the lecture 15 of our ongoing training program. String processing and list comprehensions. This is very interesting topic and so many applications in the data science. Strings are one of the most widely used data type in the Python because almost every real-world application involves processing textual information. Python provides a rich built-in function for searching, formatting, validating, splitting, joining, and transforming strings. Combined with the list comprehension, Python enables developers to write concise, readable, and efficient code for data processing, automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning and web development. So here is the definition about string processing. String processing is the process of creating, manipulation, searching, formatting, validating, analyzing, and transforming textual data using programming technique and built-in Python methods. And on the other hand, the list comprehension. A list comprehension is a concise Python syntax for creating or transforming list using a single expression. So here is the example how we can use it. New list is equal to expression for item in iterable if condition. Okay, so this is the syntax. And here is the example. You can see numbers are equal to x square, x product x. Okay, so this is x square for x in range 10. So when we will execute this statement, okay, control and enter. So you can see the numbers are from 0, 1, 2, 3. But here we have the x square. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. So these squares are here. You can see 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. So these are the squares of the numbers which are in the range 10. So the counting of these numbers are 10. Okay, so, but starting from 0 and up to 9. Here is the advanced example of the string processing. Suppose we have the Python programming for the data science and we store this value inside sentence. Okay, so by using reverse is equal to this operation, as you can see here. Okay, empty quote sign dot join word. This is used to join the words, and -1, which you can see here. This is used to reverse all the characters inside this string. Okay, for word in the sentence dot split. So when we will execute this statement, and you can see all the characters in this sentence are in the reverse order. So just like you can see Python, so this is this one, and for the programming we can see starting from the last digit GNIMMARGORP, and far is like you can see ROF, and the data is ATAD. Okay, so in this way all the words which are in this sentence are in reverse order. Okay, so this is because of this operation which we apply at this place. Okay, next we can have the character frequency. So here text we have is the artificial intelligence. Okay, and by using the frequency, so what we do here for ch is character, one of the character of this string. Okay, in text dot lower. So if we are using lower, then all these will be converted into lower. Okay, and if chai not equal to empty, then frequency is equal to frequency dot get chai comma 0 plus 1. So when we will execute this statement, and you can see by executing the statement here, so a is 2, then r is 1, t is 2. Okay, so in this is what you can observe, we can see the frequency of each character inside this one. Okay, so if there is any character which is in the uppercase, will be lower by using this one, and then this frequency will return the counting of the duplicate values. Okay, so a you can see in this entire we have 2 times, r is 1 time, t is 2 times, I is 5 times. You can see here 3 times in this and 2 times are here. So this is the frequency of each character in the sentence. Then remove the duplicate word. If you want to remove the duplicate word, just like you can see here, Python AI machine AI learning. So some of the words are repeated. If you want to remove the duplicate entries, we can do by using the same statement as you can see here, empty quote sign. Okay, there, because this is the empty character. Dot join dictionary from case sentence dot separate. So when we will execute this one, the duplicate entries will be removed. So here you can see Python is 2 times, but when you will execute, Python will be 1 time. Similarly, AI is also here 2 times. Okay, so this is also now 1 time. Machine learning is a unique word, and so you can see each output here are unique. Sometimes we have the abstract email domain. Okay, so just like we can have meher.chand@mtfhub.com. So if you want to extract only the domain name, okay, so this is the domain name, and this is the entire email, okay, with the domain. So how we can do, we are using here username comma domain is equal to email dot separate @. Okay, so username will be separate and domain name will be separate. Just like you can see, this is the first part and this is the second part. Okay, we split it this symbol. So when we will execute, and you can see the email is split in 2 parts. Okay, so this is the domain name. Then mask credit card, if you are required, we can do just like you can see here 1 2 3 4 and so on. This is the card number, and masked is equal to, so these are 13 characters will be masked, and last 3 will be as it is. So when you will execute, you can see that only the last 3 digits are here and other numbers are masked. Okay, these are hidden by using this operation. Okay, so as much you will extend this value, according to that all those characters will be masked. If you want to remove the punctuation, just like you can see here in the string hello, and here is a punctuation symbol, welcome to Python. So here is the text, and when you will use the clean text you are required. So what we are doing here, text dot translate string make trans, and you can see here, so symbol, okay, this is empty comma empty. So string dot punctuation, so punctuation will be removed. Okay, so here you can see, and this is the actual word, actual sentence, and here is the sentence after removing the punctuation. So this symbol is not there and comma is also not there, okay, in this sentence. Sometimes we have the password validation is required. So just like you can see here, password is equal to meher #123. So to fix the strong password, what we do, any C dot is upper, okay, so one character is in the uppercase, and C dot is lower, so one character must be lower, okay, in C, in the password. Okay, then we will check is digit number in the password, not C is alphanumeric. So is there any such number which is not number as well as not a alphabet? Okay, so all these conditions will be satisfied, only then we have a strong password. Okay, so here you can see uppercase is there, lowercase is there, numerical values are there, and according to this condition, note is alphanumeric. Okay, so this is the used for symbol, so symbol is also there. Okay, so when you will execute, this is the strong password. Okay, so these conditions which we apply at this place are fulfilled. Okay, and this is the strong password. And longest word, just like you can see, artificial intelligence transforms industries. So from this we can extract the longest word in this sentence. So how we can do, max dot sentence dot spelled, and k is length. Okay, so this will return the maximum, the word having the maximum length. So when you will execute, you can see that the intelligence is the largest word in this sentence. Okay, then you can have the advanced examples of the list comprehension. Various mathematical operations are there, and we can easily implement all these. Just like you can see, for the squares. So here in the previous example we use x product x, but you can use also x product 2. So the meaning is same, x square. For x in the range 20, if x is divisible by 2, means remainder is 0. So this is the condition. If the number is divisible by 2, that is even number. So we take here the range up to 20, only those numbers square which are even. So this condition will be fulfilled, just like 0, 2, 4, 6, these are the even numbers, and only the square of those number will be returned this statement. Okay, so see the carefully this statement and then print it, and you will observe that 0, 4, 16, 36, 64, 100, 144. So all these are the squares of even number in the range of 20. Then we have the flattened matrix, just like you can see, this is the matrix, okay, and this is the first row, this is the second row, and this is the third row. So by using this flatten, okay, what we can do, I for row in matrix, for I in row. Okay, so here we have is, this is the one list. Okay, actually the matrix is a list of lists. Okay, so this will start to this will take first list, this one, and from this list, this matrix, okay, I will be implemented this. Okay, so you can see here nested for loop is there. Okay, so first this will extract and I will be implemented on these numbers, then second will be taken and I will be taken. So in this way all the digit which you can see in this matrix will be in the single variable. Okay, so this is the single list, so this is the flatten. Okay, now we can have the convert string to integers, just like you can see all these numbers which are here, which we store here, all these are strings because the numerical values are inside quote sign. So any value when we store by using the quote sign, this will be string. And if you want to convert these numbers into integer, so we can apply here int x for x in numbers. So x is the for loop which is used for this number. So automatically the x variable which we are using here will take extract one by one 10. It will convert it into the number integer, then second value will be taken, will convert it into the integer, third value will be taken, it will convert it into the integer. Okay, so in this way we can easily convert the string value into the string into the integer. Sorry, extract file extension. So here you can see report.pdf, image.jpg, notes.txt. Okay, so here if you want to check the extensions of each file, so some are PDF, JPG and text. Okay, so again it is quite simple. We can use f.split dot. Okay, after dot we can have this value. So at this place we are required to split -1 for f in files. Okay, so this will extract from last value. Okay, -1 is using for last value. Okay, so PDF, JPG, text will be there. When you will execute, you can check again, you can see yes. So this is the filter positive number. If you want to use -5, 8, -2, 10, 12, -4, 0. So some of the numbers are negative, some are positive. So if you are using here x is greater than 0, so this will extract only the positive numbers according to the condition which we will apply. Only those numbers will be filtered here. You can execute and you can see in this output 8, 10, 12, all these are positive number. If you want to remove the empty string, just like you can see here, this is the empty string, there is no value inside this string. And if you want to remove, we can do by using this statement, w for w in words if w. Okay, so this is the condition, and this will remove the empty string. See, yes, so this empty string is not there, only Python, AI and ML. So these are two empty string you can observe here, and by using this for loop we can avoid this string. Then this is the formula to convert a Celsius to Fahrenheit, okay, for the temperature. Okay, so the temperature which we store here are in Celsius, and this is the formula to convert in Fahrenheit each value. Okay, 9 by 5 into T plus 32. So this is the formula, okay, for T in temp. So T will take one by one all these values, and this formula will convert into Fahrenheit. Okay, so when you will execute, and you can see all the values are changed here. Similarly, you can use the prime numbers. Okay, so various examples we have already discussed in the previous sessions for the prime number, for the multiplication, for the even number, odd number, okay, co-prime, etc. So here, this is the way how we can get. So x for in the range 2 to 51. Okay, if all, you can see this is the condition, x is divided by y not equal to 0. Okay, so this will be, and for y in the range, this is the range for y. Okay, which we apply here. So if these conditions will be applied and fulfilled, satisfied, only the prime numbers will return here. So you can see its application also. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, all these are prime number. Okay, so first you have to see if prime numbers are those which are divisible by itself, okay, or divisible by 1. So we will check all those numbers which are not divisible by y. Okay, and y is in the range of these numbers, you can see. So these are the all prime number. Then you can have the multiplication table which we can create here, just like table I product j for j in the range 1 to 6 and for I in the range 1 to 6. Okay, so this will take the multiplication pairwise. In the first range it will take 1, and 1 will be multiplied with all the numbers which are in the range of 1 to 6. So 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4, 1 into 5. So these are 1 to 5. Then this will take the second number which is 2 in this range. Okay, 2 will be multiplied with all the numbers which are in this range with the 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5. So these are the required values which you can see here. So these are the some applications of the string processing in NLP, chatbot, search engine, social media analytics, spam detection, email validations. All these are the very useful applications we can see, and these are the high applications of the list comprehensions, data filtering, data cleaning, machine learning, artificial intelligence, feature engineering, and so on. Okay, so string processing enables efficient manipulation and analysis of the textual data, while list comprehension provide a compact and Pythonic way to create a transform list. Together, these concepts improve readability, performance, and productivity in the Python programming. So thank you, dear participant, to listen the entire session.